Alright, it's a mixed trade for commodities today as crude oil has slipped, though gold still manages to hold steady. Let's ask Gargi Parikh on how commodity trades have been impacted today by the job and retail sales numbers we saw come out of the US.
For all of you, you're watching Business Friday, the big stories that are making news and moving stocks right here. The hotel industry bouncing back to somewhat normal terms now after seeing a revival in occupancy levels in the last 3 months. They've been pretty solid. New Year, Christmas have been good occupancy. Royal Orchid Hotels is also planning to set up new properties. Let's go across to Samir Hashmi for more details. Samir, how many new properties is Royal Orchid putting up?
Well, Shelly, this year 3 new properties are coming up, but that were on the plan for the last 3 to 4 years. Now, interestingly, after this whole bounce back, sort of a bounce back which the hotel industry is witnessing, Royal Orchid is planning to invest another 380 crores for 3 to 4 more properties that will come up by 2012. Now, they will be raising funds for that, and one option is through equity, which they would be looking at sometime in December this year in 2000. Now, the earlier properties I mentioned, the 3 properties that are coming this year, for that they've also raised debt worth 300 crores, out of which 120 has been utilized and another 180 has been approved, and they will be utilizing going ahead. Interestingly, one of their plans, joint ventures with Pasana developers, they were supposed to develop 10 properties. This was decided 2 to 3 years back, is on hold. It's not been shelved, but it's still on hold, and they will take a decision probably next fiscal. Now, we spoke to their CMD, Mr. Balji, and this is what he had to tell us about investment plans and debt as we go ahead.
We have raised about 300 crore debt, and we started utilizing that now. At the moment, is about 120 crores has been utilized, but 180 crores is still sanctioned, not utilized, which we will be utilizing for the completion of these projects.
So, the total investment stands how much for these new projects that are coming up?
500 crores is what we set up in 2006 when we raised 125 crores in equity when we raised. So, balance we've had a good 3 years of internal accruals, so we're putting that also, and then we're raising this debt to complete all the projects.
Alright, well, Royal Orchid in expansion mode there, the stock up about 1.8%, 1.5 rupees in real terms. Well,
Plenty more coming up ahead on Business Friday. We'll check in on the global markets. Asia's closed, but Europe gears up for trade. Final for the week.